If you are searching for a software solution to help with your inspection data management processes, choosing the right solution can be difficult, especially considering the potential investment of time and money. And you will for sure have your obvious considerations, but in our latest blog, we talk about some of the not so obvious and often overlooked factors that you may not have thought about but can make a real difference in your selection process. From client references to hands-on testing, we offer some key considerations that you should add to your research and evaluation process that will help you find the perfect partner for your inspection data needs. So let's get right into it. And for our first recommendation, we suggest that you ask for client references that you can call. Don't settle for a demo. As part of your search, you will certainly have looked at review sites, and that's a great way to narrow down the choices, but nothing compares to speaking to an actual customer who uses a particular software every day. Don't just settle for a demo. Ask the vendor for at least 3 active clients who are solving similar issues as you and are willing to share their experiences with the software. Also, find out how they're using the software, whether it's being used in a development or in actual production, and learn how reliable the platform is in their day-to-day workflow. Speaking with clients gives you an inside look at the real-life performance and benefits of the software, and can prove to be valuable in finding the right solution for your business. As our next recommendation, request an in-house evaluation and test the software with your own data. Another key factor in choosing the right inspection software would be the results of an in-house evaluation. Do not hesitate to ask the vendor to set up a trial or evaluation account and test the software's performance using either your own data or a large demo data set to understand latencies, speed, and capacity limits. This test should also include the administration functions, creating user profiles, assigning appropriate roles and rights. This will help to make sure that software is user-friendly, verifying that it can be managed by your team with minimal vendor intervention. You do not want your production to be impeded by having to rely on frequent vendor support. Another factor that might be overlooked is to choose an open platform and avoid vendor lock. Another key factor to keep in mind while choosing your inspection software is to verify the core competency of the software, as well as the software's ability to integrate with third-party algorithms and avoid getting locked into a vendor. Look for a purpose-built, best-in-class solution that meets your specific needs, but also allows for integration of third-party algorithms for added flexibility, as well as the ability to update features. Make sure that you have full control over your data, including seamless exporting of all data and metadata without needing any help from the solution provider. Ensure that you aren't limited by the platform's capabilities and always have the ability to access and control your data. Okay, so I hope you found these to be helpful. Selecting the right inspection software can greatly impact the success of your business. Be sure to take time to thoroughly evaluate your options and find the platform that best fits your needs and will bring long-term benefits to your business. And if you have any questions, leave us a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Bye for now.